friends, it is a common practice to create group chats on Messenger in order to communicate with more than one person at a time. Though group chats makes it easier for you to engage in meaningful conversations with your family and friends, sometimes people can be rude in the group chat. If you find that someone is being rude and disrespectful, initiating arguments in the group chat, you can easily remove them from the Messenger group. Follow along the video to find the accurate method you can use on your Android and iOS device. Start off by opening Messenger and go to your group chat. Click on the information icon and select See Group Members. Tap on the person you want to remove and choose Remove from Group. The person will be removed, however, there will be a notification about who kicked whom out of the group. Alternatively, you can also entirely get rid of the group chat if removing certain people does not resolve the issue. Open Messenger and once you see the chat list, long press the group chat name and select Delete. Confirm by clicking on the delete option once again and the group chat will completely disappear. This was the method you can use to remove someone from your Messenger group. I hope this was a helpful video.